Hey everybody, Luis here from Alibi Security, and I just want to take a few minutes to talk about the battery-powered IP test box, its features and capabilities, and how it can make your job a whole lot easier. If you're an installer or troubleshooting technician, this device is an excellent choice to have in your tool bag. Starting off, this box is a battery-powered router that has Wi-Fi and PoE options on it. Once the box is on and you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you can use the Alibi Vigilant Mobile Pro 2 app to access all the features. Starting here, you have a spot to place your lanyard so you can carry this around your neck to make it easier when you're on a ladder or something like that. Your battery level button, your on and off switch, your DC 5-volt out. So this is still a battery bank, so you can use this USB-A port to actually charge a cell phone or laptop or any other devices you have. Next to that, you have a reset button, which you can use to default the device. The USB-C charge port is actually how you charge the battery of this device. And right here on the end, you have the DC 12-volt in. This is one of the test features of this box. You can connect a 12-volt line here, and in the app, it will tell you how much voltage that line is providing. Moving over to the other side, you have the DC 12-volt out, which will actually provide temporary power to either IP cameras, analog cameras, or any other 12-volt device using a barrel connector. Looking at the network ports, the PoE out port is used to provide temporary power to a PoE camera or any other PoE device. If you connect a camera here, you can view a live feed in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile Pro 2 app to adjust field of view, resolution, image settings, date and time, and much more. This gives you the option to almost fully configure the camera without having a computer or recorder available. And finally, at the very end, you have a PoE test port. This is another troubleshooting feature of this box. You can connect a PoE line here, and in the mobile app, it will let you know how much voltage that line has. This can be used to quickly diagnose whether you have a camera issue or a power issue. Overall, I feel like this device is very versatile when it comes to installation and troubleshooting. You can set your field of view, adjust configurations, access power information, and provide temporary power when needed. As always, if you want more information about this device or any of the products we sell, please reach out to your account manager and they'd be happy to help you out.